In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the 24-hour price change for a coin on CoinMarketCap. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, keeping an eye on price fluctuations is crucial. Whether you're an experienced trader or a curious newcomer, understanding how to access this information can give you a better grasp of market trends and help you make informed decisions. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to CoinMarketCap's website. It's a reliable resource widely used by cryptocurrency enthusiasts to track the prices and market caps of various digital coins. Just open your preferred web browser and type in coinmarketcap.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a vast array of cryptocurrencies listed in order of their market capitalization. But for our purpose, let's focus on finding the 24-hour price change information for a specific coin. Now, for this example, let's say you're interested in Bitcoin. It's a popular choice and a staple of the crypto market. To access Bitcoin's details, simply click on its name or use the search bar located at the top right of the homepage to quickly navigate to its dedicated page. The search function is quite intuitive, making it easy to find any cryptocurrency you're interested in. Once you've landed on Bitcoin's page, the analytical details can seem overwhelming due to the wealth of information displayed. To narrow our focus, you'll want to find the section labeled Volume 24H. This particular metric details the total value of the cryptocurrency traded within a 24-hour span. It's an important figure because high trading volumes can indicate significant interest, influencing price volatility. Click on the Volume 24H heading. This should either highlight more specific data or direct you to a detailed chart or graph where recent trends and changes are analyzed. Here, you can see the 24-hour price change neatly laid out, typically indicated as a percentage. This percentage shows how much the price has increased or decreased in relation to its price 24 hours ago. Remember, although this metric is quite helpful, it's essential to understand that 24-hour price changes are just one part of a much larger picture. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, changing significantly in a short period due to a variety of factors, ranging from market sentiment to broader economic events. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in navigating CoinMarketCap to track crucial cryptocurrency movements. Checking the 24-hour price changes can be a stepping stone in enhancing your understanding of the crypto market. So keep exploring, stay informed, and make sure to use this as one of many tools in your decision-making arsenal. Thank you for watching and happy investing.